Hello students, let us see one problem students. The problem is quite good problem. Which combination cannot be used? Okay, the question is which combination cannot be used for the preparation of hydrogen gas in laboratory? So first of all we should know that is laboratory method of preparation student, then only we can be able to answer. A laboratory method student, what is laboratory method student? In laboratory, we prepared the reaction of the zinc with H2SO4. So we are having zinc with H2SO4 student. So if you are tricking with this is the dilute H2SO4 student. So what it will give student? It will give ZnSO4 plus H2. This is the laboratory method student. So metal displaces H2 from the dilute mineral acid like HCl. Even we are having zinc plus dilute HCl student. Okay, so dilute HCl. So also what will happen student? It will give that is ZnCl2 plus what it will give student H2. So and even so these many, so wherever dilute is there student, from there it can replace the hydrogen gas. So let us have a look over it student in the laboratory method. So in the questions what they are saying student, so they are saying that is which of combination cannot be used in the preparation of the hydrogen gas in the laboratory. So zinc plus concentrated is wrong. Zinc plus dilute HNO3 and zinc plus dilute H2SO4. So if you talk about the HNO3 student, so HNO3 we don't use student, HNO3 we don't use. Only what we use student, that is either HCl we use student or we use the dilute H2SO4. So this is also not being used, this is also not being, so correct, we can use this only. So they are saying that is which method cannot be used, cannot be used. So first and second cannot be used, third can be used. So that is zinc in first and second is not very pure, while in third it is very pure. So that is the first and second we cannot use student, and third we use. The correct option is option number 1. Here you see student, metal displaces H2 from dilute mineral acid like HCl or H2SO4. HCl or H2SO4. In the laboratory, H2 is prepared by action of zinc with dilute H2SO4. So zinc dilute H2SO4, it will give ZnSO4 plus H2. From alkalis also amphoteric metal like zinc, Sn, Al, Pb, Si, etc. react with Weiling NaOH. It gives the H2. So zinc NaOH, it is sodium zincate plus H2. So these options are not there student, only this is there. So correct option, required option is option number 1. Here you see student, that is reaction of zinc with concentrated H2SO4, it will zinc sulfate, water and SO2. So this is not no H2. Okay, now reaction with zinc and dilute HNO3. So zinc dilute HNO3, zinc nitrate, water and N2O. So this is not correct. Reaction between zinc and dilute H2SO4, it will give zinc plus H2. So here it is being used. So first and second cannot be used for preparation of H2 gas. Thank you so much for watching friends.